Hello students, I am your science teacher Mrs. Gayatri Kangutkar. I am going to teach you Science and Technology Part 1. Our chapter number 1 is Gravitation for Standard 10th. We are going to revise some concept. One of them is effect of a force on a body. First effect is a force can set a body in motion. For example, we are pushing a steady car and set the car in motion. Second one, a force can stop a moving body. For example, we are pulling a running bicycle and stop its motion. Third effect is a force can change speed of the body. Fourth effect is a force can change direction of motion of the body. Fifth one is a force can change speed as well as direction of the body. For example, when batsman hit a ball, a speed as well as direction of the ball changes. A force can change shape and size of the body. For example, when we made a statue with the clay, we can change the shape and size of the clay. Types of forces. Students, you all are studied types of forces: gravitational force, nuclear force, electromagnetic force. Example of gravitational force is gravitational force between Earth and the Moon. Nuclear force. Example is the force between proton and electron of an atom. Electromagnetic force. A force between two charged particles in motion. These are the types of forces. We all know that scientist Newton discovered the phenomenon of gravitation. Introduction of scientist Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was born in England. Newton mathematically derived Kepler's laws of planetary motion. Newton invented new branch of mathematics called calculus. Newton also constructed a reflecting telescope. Newton gave his laws of motion, equations of motion, and theory of gravity in his book Principia. It is the introduction of scientist Newton in brief. Newton states laws of motion. The first law states that an object continues to remain at rest or in uniform motion unless and until an unbalanced force acts on it. For example, a book placed on a rack does not move without any external force acts on it. It remains at same place. This first law of motion is also called law of inertia. Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum is proportional to the applied force and change of momentum occurs in the direction of force. For example, when we push a steady car, the force and change of momentum are in same direction. Newton's third law of motion states that to every action force there is equal and opposite reaction force. For example, launching of a rocket is an example of Newton's third law of motion. Another concept is circular motion and centripetal force. Suppose We are tying a stone at one end of a string and take another end of a string in our hand and rotate the string so that stone moves along a circular motion. In this example, a stone moves in a circular motion and the force acts towards the center of the circle. This force is called as centripetal force. Definition of centripetal force: a force acts on any object moving along a circular path and the force directed towards the center of the circle. This force is called as centripetal force.